Okay, describe Punkin. Well, she looks like a little pumpkin roll. She is a little sassy, but she's also very classy. She tends to be very sweet as well, but she's also not afraid to tell you like, hey, like, don't do that. Spice is very spicy. She is a very energetic little foal. She just likes to hang out. She's also very curious and loves to run around mom and will sometimes run laps around mom. So it's very fun to see her interact with her mother and just go explore the world in her own way.
So this spring we offered an independent study class that was specifically related to broodmare management and foal care. And I try to offer a course like this about every 3 years. And generally we will bring in a mare that's pregnant, that's bred and owned by someone who's a friend of our program. So this year it was a quarter horse cutting mare named Punkin that's owned by a local friend of our program. Students in that class met monthly and we went over all of the things and kind of all of the theories that they would need to know and hopefully see in practice and sometimes not see in practice.
It's definitely nice to be able to like get that information in a classroom setting and then be able to actually directly apply it when the foal is on the ground. It's just nice to be able to be like, I know that, and then immediately roll into it with the mare and the foal.
It's a very unique experience that has really great application in the field. So, we have quite a few students that have come out of this independent study class and it's changed their worldview for them. And they've decided that they wanted to work specifically with broodmares and go into the breeding industry. And then also for our students that are more pre-vet focused or even farm management focused, like they're seeing those things in action. They got to watch the veterinary exam. They got to take part in monitoring those milestones and keeping good records for that foal. When you ask students to give up their time and their days and spend the night at the farm and stay awake to watch what's going on with her, and they're so happy to do it and not worried about the sleep that they're going to lose or what else they need to juggle in their schedule to get it done. There's just a real passion and an excitement about seeing that new life come to be and then watching Punkin progress.
I think overall my favorite thing is just being able to work with our horses and learning everything about them and then translating some of what I learn here to other scenarios. Working with the horses has kind of taught me a little bit better to deal with people. And if I give the horses like so much grace, then I need to give myself and others the same amount of grace, because we're all just on this earth. We're all just trying to be here.